Hi, this is Jim at Giordano's Vintage Motors, and we have a engine startup and brief walk around video of our 1979 BMW 630CS coupe. Well, actually the car is a little bit better looking with the roof down, or excuse me, what the British call the bonnet. So we'll do a brief walk around video. Car running. This is a really nice example of a Euro 630 CS carbureted car that was federalized, imported to the USA. Euro bumpers, original paint, we believe, original blue leather. Really a great car. So we're just going to do a really brief drive around of this car, which is kind of tough to do with this video situation we've got going, but here we'll do kind of a brief engine drive here in lovely Carnation, Washington on kind of a stormy day, actually. Interesting day we have here. We're middle of summer. It's in August in 2019, and we normally say in Puget Sound, Washington, August is the one time of the year that you're going to have some great weather. And but here we've got, looks like we might having some rain here at some point. So this is a really nice car. Believed to be two-owner. It was owned by an airline, we were told, by an airline pilot who brought the car over from Germany, federalized it, DOT, EPA, all that good stuff, all the regulation stickers, data tags to indicate that work are present. And I just think it's a really, really great example of one of these cars. Really looks good in Polaris silver with the blue leather, 5-speed, which is really desirable. And since we're going to run out of data, we are just going to stop the video there and say thank you.